In today's video, I will share with you 25 items that sold for over $30 each on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, and Mercari. All of these items sold within the last few weeks, and 17 of the 25 items sold within days of listing. Let's get started. Okay, I sold these Grace in LA denim jeans that were listed for about 1 week. I sold them on Poshmark for $30 plus shipping. I paid $4.25 for it. My profit, $19.75. Next up is a pair of Quaker Factory Dream jeans. I actually found 3 pair of these new with tag at Goodwill. Each was $3.50. This was an item that I delisted and relisted using List Perfectly. This one sold after that relisting within 1 day for $30. My profit, $20.50. Next up is a Pendleton wool sleeveless vest. This sold also within 1 week on Poshmark. I paid $3.50 for it. It sold for $30. My profit, $20.50. Next up is a pair of buckle jeans for men, size 38. I paid $4.25 for these. These also sold within a week for $30. My profit, $19.75. So yes, these BKE jeans for men. This one is the Nolan style, but I have sold previously other styles. The larger sizes tend to do better than the smaller ones. BKE by Buckle does sell well. Next up is a pair of American Eagle women's jeans. The boot cut, also size 38 by 34. I paid $4.25 for these. I accepted an offer of $30 plus 10 shipping. So my profit, $22.79. This is an Anthropology dress, new with tag. Mauve, I believe is how you say that. This is what it looks like. The Goodwill did mark out the brand name for whatever reason. As you can see, it is new with tags. This dress sat for a very long time. I was surprised. It's been on eBay and Poshmark for going on 10 months. I paid $4 for it. It finally sold for $30. I had it listed for $50. Someone sent me an offer for $30, which I quickly accepted. So my profit on this new with tag Anthropology dress, $20. It's a beautiful dress, floral print. I thought it would be great for spring and summer, possibly a wedding or even homecoming. There were no takers. It sat for almost 1 year. Next up is a new without tag Harley Davidson long sleeve shirt. It has the fiery flame design down each sleeve. I purchased this at Goodwill for $4.50. Goodwill did mark up this shirt. It sold for $29.92 with an offer to watcher. I know that it was an offer to watcher because when I send offers to watchers, I always put a 0.92 on the end of it. The buyer paid $6 shipping, leaving my profit $22.55. This also sold within 1 week. This is a new with tag Terra and Sky swimsuit. Terra and Sky is a Walmart brand. I did pick this up at Goodwill for $2 last fall. The buyer paid $25 plus 7 shipping, leaving my profit $21.31. So even Walmart brands, new with tag, sell pretty good on eBay. This is a pair of silver denim jeans, twisted. These sold within 2 days on eBay. I paid $4.25 for these. The buyer paid $32 plus 10 shipping, leaving my profit $24.53. This pair of jeans sold on Facebook within 1 day. American Eagle high-rise jegging, size 6 long. They are destroyed with holes in them. People actually pay more for jeans with holes in them. These were a 6 long, so kind of an obscure size, which I think also added to its value. The buyer paid $32 plus $9 shipping. My profit, $25.62. Next up is a girls' winter Columbia interchange coat. Yes, I did just list this, and it sold within 3 days on eBay. We are now in spring, but winter coats are still selling. I picked this up at a church thrift store for $1. It sold for my full price on promotion of $32.40 plus 12 shipping, leaving my profit $29.63. Next up is a buckle black denim jean. I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. These did sit in my closet for a while, about 3 months. I accepted an offer of $35, leaving my profit $15.99. Next up is a Vineyard Vines dress. It sold within 1 week. I paid $3.50 for it at Goodwill. The buyer was $42 all in. They paid for shipping. This is a larger size, 16. My profit, $27.77. The next item sold on Facebook, a pair of silver jeans, Tuesday 16.5 inch. I'm not sure what that 16.5 inch means because it does clearly have a size tag. If any of you know what this 16.5 inch refers to, let me know in the comments below. But the size is actually 29 by 35. I paid $4.25 for these. The buyer paid $36, my full asking price on Facebook, plus 9 shipping, leaving my profit $31.75. Facebook did not charge fees on this sale. How's everyone doing? Do you like this type of content? If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Click the notification bell to be notified when it's released. Now let's see what sold for the most money and on which platform. Next up is a lot of Children's Place pants, size 10 slim. They were all the same style, same size, just in different colors. These have been listed for going on 3 months. I paid $6 for all of them. The buyer purchased them for my full price on promotion of $39.60 plus 9 shipping, leaving my profit $28.52. Next up, I sold a 4-piece Newport News swimsuit on Poshmark for $40. I paid $2 for this also at Goodwill the same day I bought that Walmart Terra and Sky swimsuit. So my profit on this, $26.65. Next up, I sold this new with tag Travis Matthew polo shirt. This is what that tag looks like. You can see it here. Not sure who Travis Matthew is, but it was new with tags, and I'm sure it has something to do with golf. I looked it up in the store, and the comps looked very good. It sold within 1 day on Poshmark. I paid $3.50 for it. The buyer sent me an offer of $40, which I accepted, so by profit, $28.50. Next up, I sold another pair of American Eagle jeans on Facebook. These were for men, $36.34, the straight leg version. I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. They sold within 1 week for $40 plus 9 shipping, leaving my profit $34.03. So yes, American Eagle, I'm finding men and women's jeans selling well. Surprisingly, most of them will sell on Facebook, but I have had success on Poshmark as well. Next up is a pair of silver denim jeans, the bootcut version, size 33. I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. They sold for my full price on promotion of $41.16 plus 11 shipping, leaving my profit $33.37. And these are just silver jeans. They do have holes in them, destroyed. Again, the holes on these jeans make them sell for even more money. The next item sold on Poshmark, a North Face hooded jacket. I paid $5.25 for this at Goodwill. It was a women's high vent hooded jacket. It was in great condition. I accepted a best offer of $45, leaving my profit $30.75. I have now highlighted 2 winter coats that just sold on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, or Facebook. It's interesting to note that we are in May, so we are in spring heading into summer, and winter coats are still selling. Next up, I sold a pair of Adriano Goldschmied denim jeans, the ex-boyfriend crop, in a size 27. I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. They sold within 2 weeks for $45 on Poshmark, leaving my profit $31.75. Again, these have holes as well with somewhat of a sandblasted front. So keep your eye out for these AG denim jeans. Here is another pair of boyfriend denim jeans, this time silver. Paid $4.25 for these. The buyer paid $51.04 on promotion plus $10 shipping. These took a little over 1 month to sell, but it was well worth it with a profit of $48.85. Again, these also have the holes, the fraying on the front, and they're the boyfriend style. So I do believe this boyfriend style sells well all across the board. So keep your eye out for that. Next up is a men's Cabela's Safari Series long sleeve shirt in a very big size, 2XL tall. I picked several of these up that day at Goodwill for $3.50 each. They were all that large size 2X and 3XLT. This one sold for my full asking price on promotion of $51.30 plus $11 shipping. My profit, $45.28. So again, when you're out looking, look for the Cabela's, specifically the Safari series. I haven't tried my luck with just plain old regular Cabela's, but this being a very large size and it looked like a safari shirt, I went ahead and gave it a shot. Next up, I sold this pair of Ariat denim jeans on Poshmark, new with tags. It sold within 2 days. I paid $4.25 for it. I had it listed high for about $80. I probably could have held out for more, but I went ahead and accepted the best offer of $60. So my profit, $43.75. I'm surprised I found these at Goodwill and they weren't marked up. Number one, because they're Ariat, and number two, they're new with tags. So this must have slipped by the Goodwill employees. Before we get to the last item that sold for the most money, as I mentioned, I do cross-post everything using List Perfectly. If you're not familiar with List Perfectly, it allows you to cross-post your listings from one website to another. In my case, I post everything to eBay first as it requires the most item specifics. I then use List Perfectly and cross-post easily and efficiently to Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. I love this application. If you're not already signed up for List Perfectly, go ahead and give it a try. Use my code pieceofscrap to save 30% off of your first month's subscription. I will have my affiliate link in the description below. And the last item to sell for the most money was this Scrabble Deluxe Edition turntable game. It actually has the wooden turntable with it. This is a fairly new to me pickup. I paid $3 for this game at Goodwill. I went home. It sat on my desk for the longest time. It was just one of those things I knew I needed to go through it and count the pieces and verify that everything was there. So it sat on my desk for, I'd say, 3 weeks before I decided I better get this listed, which I did. And it sold within 1 week for $84.60 plus $29 shipping. I shipped it using UPS. It was the cheaper option. So my profit on this after fees and cost of goods sold, as well as the actual ship charge of $16, my profit $79.83. Now I'm not sure if all Scrabble games sell well. I know you can sell the letter pieces, as a lot of people will use those for crafts. But this being the deluxe special edition with the turntable, that's what raised its value. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, some of these items may have looked familiar to you. Now let's see if my Instagram followers agreed with my buy or pass decision. I asked Instagram if they would buy or pass on the Pendleton vest. 82% said buy, while 18% said pass. We agreed. I purchased it and it sold for $30. 91% of my Instagram followers said buy on the North Face jacket, while 9% said pass. I did purchase it and it sold for $45. 57% of my Instagram followers said pass on the $3 Scrabble game, while 43% said buy. I don't always agree with my Instagram followers, and I did purchase the Scrabble game for $3. It sold for $113 shipped. So be sure to add this Scrabble game to your bolo. Be on the lookout list. This version in particular, the deluxe turntable version. Other versions may also sell well, so run your comps. I just shared with you 25 items that sold for over $30 each, resulting in over $1,000 in sales within days. Let me know what your favorite sale was. I think by far it had to be the Scrabble game, which I sat on for quite some time. Several weeks it sat there on my desk. Once I listed it, it sold within 2 days. So get your items listed. You could be sitting on money. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was from today's video. Here is a snapshot of the spreadsheet I use to keep track of my profit. I just threw this up here to remind you of what some of the items were you saw in today's video. If you do like the looks of this spreadsheet, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let me know. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Also share with your friends on social media. I'm trying to grow my channel and I need all the help I can get. Continue watching and I'll catch you in the next video.